When it comes to managing your money, having an account that fits your lifestyle is everything. If you've been looking into digital banking, you've probably heard of Neon. They've made a name for themselves with their streamlined mobile app and focus on transparent pricing. But what exactly are their current account plans? Let's break down the options. Neon offers a tiered system designed for different user needs, from the basics to extensive perks. The first plan is Neon Free. It's their entry-level option, and as the name suggests, it has no monthly fee. This account is great for everyday use within Switzerland, including free transfers and a debit MasterCard. It's a solid choice if you're looking to handle your local finances digitally without any recurring costs. Next up is Neon Plus. This plan adds a few key benefits for a small monthly or annual fee. You'll get more free ATM withdrawals in Switzerland, which is a great perk if you use cash more often. A major upgrade with this plan is the removal of the currency exchange markup on card payments abroad, making it a better option for travel or international online shopping. For frequent travelers or those who deal with foreign currencies regularly, there's Neon Global. This plan includes all the benefits of Plus but significantly lowers the fees for cash withdrawals abroad. It also comes with additional insurance benefits, such as travel, shopping, and cyber insurance, giving you more peace of mind when you're away from home. Finally, there is Neon Metal. This is the premium account, and it comes with all the bells and whistles. You get everything from the global plan, plus more free ATM withdrawals both in Switzerland and abroad, and a few exclusive benefits like phone and ticket insurance. Plus, it comes with a stylish metal card. Beyond these core plans, Neon also offers a couple of add-ons. You can get the Neon Duo, which is a joint account for 2 people, and the Neon Green extension, which contributes to environmental projects. Both can be added to any of the main plans for an extra monthly fee per person. So, whether you're looking for a simple, no-frills digital account or a comprehensive plan with all the perks for a globetrotting lifestyle, Neon has a plan to fit your needs.